Hello and welcome! Today we're going to nourish our knowledge with 5 plant-based cooking hacks for better health that everybody should know about. These hacks are great to increase your nutritional profile, they have amazing health benefits, and they may even help you on your weight loss journey. If you're ready, let's dive into it. Hack number 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale and cauliflower are packed with nutrients and contain a compound called sulforaphane, which is linked to cancer prevention. In order to get the most out of the veggies, we got to chop them up and let them sit for about 30 to 40 minutes before cooking. This maximizes the sulforaphane release. This is because the cutting process activates an enzyme called myrosinase, which converts glucoraphanin to sulforaphane. Incorporating sulforaphane-rich foods into your diet has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, and inflammation. Plus, it's a great way to boost your antioxidant intake. Hack number 2. Let's chop, but then stop. Similar to our first hack, we want to chop certain vegetables, but then stop. Chopping garlic and onions and then letting them rest for about 10 minutes before cooking can significantly increase the allicin content. Allicin is responsible for the garlic's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The resting period allows the enzyme allinase to convert allicin into allicin, enhancing its benefits. Let's look at the health benefits. Regular consumption of allicin-rich garlic and onions has been associated with improved heart health, lower cholesterol levels, and a strengthened immune system. Hack number 3. Turmeric and black pepper. Have you tried turmeric latte? Or maybe you need at least one a day, like I do. Turmeric is well known and celebrated for its curcumin content. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound, but it has low bioavailability on its own. The trick? Combine turmeric with black pepper. You can add it to your food, your stir fry, or your latte. Piperin is a bioactive compound found in black pepper and enhances curcumin absorption. The health benefits? This simple combination can significantly increase the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits of turmeric, aiding in pain relief, improving brain function, and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Hack number 4. Flax seeds for omega-3s. Flax seeds have become more and more recognized as a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. However, in order to fully access these nutrients, flax seeds need to be ground. Whole flax seeds can often pass through the digestive system without being broken down, which means you might be missing out on the benefits. Speaking of benefits, by grinding the flax seeds, you make it easier for your body to absorb the omega-3s, the fiber, and lignans, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Last but not least, hack number 5, the cold storage of starchy food. This is one of my favorite hacks. You can actually transform starch into resistant starch. But what is starch to begin with? Starch is a carbohydrate found in many plants, and it serves as an energy source. It's made of long chains of glucose molecules and is typically broken down by digestive enzymes in the small intestine into simpler sugars that can be absorbed by the body. Resistant starch, on the other hand, as the name already suggests, resists digestion in the small intestine. Therefore, it can reach the large intestine, where it acts similarly to dietary fiber. Here, it feeds our microbiome, the beneficial gut bacteria which ferment the starch into short-chain fatty acids. So what is the actual hack I'm talking about? I'm talking about cooking starchy foods like rice or potatoes and then letting them cool down. Best is to cook the rice the night or the morning before you're going to eat it and then place it in the fridge. This changes the composition of the starch and increases the amount of resistant starch. So cool, eh? And what are the health benefits of resistant starch? There are numerous benefits, including improved digestion, better glycemic control, increased feelings of fullness. It can also lead to a slight decrease in calorie absorption, which can be helpful in weight management. I hope these hacks are useful. If yes, please feel free to share them so we all know about these incredible hacks. Take care and see you next time.